A goal without plan is just a wish. Well, looking at the zeal, vigor and curiosity of all the participants here, it seems that they all have planned well in order to achieve their goal. A warm good morning to all of you. I, Paramveer Jagat, welcome you all on behalf of Global Broadcasting Corporation Update. It gives me immense pleasure in introducing my team as well as the contestants of today's event. We have Mr. Mani Gogia presiding over today's event, Miss Lavisha as an event regulator, and last but not the least, Mr. Jitinder Prince behind the camera. Now let's have an introduction of our contestants. Contestant number 1, Mr. Gautam Malhotra from DAV College, Hoshiarpur. Contestant number 2, Miss Simarjit Kaur from SGGS Khalsa College, Mahilpur. Contestant number 3, Mr. Sukhpreet Singh from Riyat Bara College of Management, Hoshiarpur. Contestant number 4, Mr. Jatin Sethi from Riyat Bara College of Law, Hoshiarpur. Contestant number 5, Miss Khushpreet Kaur from SGGS Khalsa College, Mahilpur. Contestant number 6, Miss Romanpreet Kaur from SGGS Khalsa College, Mahilpur. Contestant number 7, Miss Bhumika from SD College, Hoshiarpur. Contestant number 8, Miss Muskan, again from SD College, Hoshiarpur. Welcome everyone. So, how are you all feeling? Delighted. Excited? Bit nervous also? Yes. No need to get nervous. So, hold your heart for some time and let's have a glance at the rules. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay? Out of 8 participants, only 3 will be shortlisted for the silver chair round. In the first round, the one who presses the buzzer first will get the chance to answer the question. If the answer is correct, then he or she will be selected for the silver chair round. If any candidate gives 2 wrong answers, he or she will be eliminated. The 3 candidates in the silver chair round will compete amongst themselves for the golden chair round. चलिए ज्ञान के इस सफर पर ज्ञान ग्रहण करें और ज्ञान बांटें। जज साहब, shall we begin?
बिल्कुल, the battle of brain.
So, I'll be asking the question now. ठीक है? This is the first round, the fastest finger first round. So, जिसने पहले बजर दबा के आंसर दिया करेक्ट है, वो सिल्वर चेयर के लिए सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Any doubt? Arrange the following Prime Ministers of India in chronological order. A. VP Singh, B. Rajiv Gandhi, C. PV Narasimha Rao, and D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Yes, Jatin.
Rajiv Gandhi, PV Narasimha Rao, VP Singh और अटल बिहारी.
I'm afraid it is not the correct answer. So, the correct answer is Rajiv Gandhi, then VP Singh, then PV Narasimha Rao, and then Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next question. What was the name of Chandrayaan 3's rocket or carrier? Is it PSLV C-57, LVM-3, GSLV Mark 1 and PSLV C-54? Yes. You didn't even listen to the options.
So it's LVM-3.
LVM-3 is the correct answer. It is the correct answer. Now you have been selected for the silver chair round. Okay. Now you are not going to participate further. ठीक है? अब आपने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना, बाकी 7 जो है वो पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. ठीक है? क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ. तेलंगाना, हरियाणा, तमिलनाडु एंड मध्य प्रदेश. यस, सुप्रीत.
हरियाणा,
यस,
मध्य प्रदेश,
यस,
तेलंगाना, तमिलनाडु.
हरियाणा, मध्य प्रदेश, Telangana and
Tamil
Tamil Nadu. It is the correct answer. You have also been selected for the silver chair round. अब बचे हैं 6 कैंडिडेट्स. 6 में से सिर्फ एक को चुना जाएगा. Only one will be selected. रेडी? डर लग रहा है थोड़ा सा? लग रहा है. नेचुरल है, कोई बात नहीं. बट अपनी नर्व्स को कंट्रोल करो और अगला आंसर का सही जवाब देना. ठीक है? रेडी? द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, आगे कुआं पीछे डैश, पहाड़ समुंदर खाई दरिया. खुशप्रीत.
सर आगे कुआं पीछे खाई.
पीछे खाई इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो हमारे सिल्वर चेयर राउंड के लिए 3 कैंडिडेट्स जो हैं वो सिलेक्ट हो गए हैं. आप सभी बहुत बढ़िया खेले. आई हैव फीलिंग दैट आई एम स्टैंडिंग अमंग द गैलेक्सी ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल्स. सभी बड़े इंटेलेक्चुअल्स लग रहे हो आप, जो नई सिल्वर राउंड के लिए सिलेक्ट हुए. कोई निराश होने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है? लाइफ में अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती रहती हैं. और जो सिलेक्ट हुए, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. आज के कॉन्टेस्ट के जज साहब कुछ आपके साथ ज्ञान की बात करेंगे.
नमस्कार सबको, और आज की ज्ञान की बात है. द फर्स्ट एवर आईसीसी मेंस क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप टुक प्लेस एट लॉर्ड्स इन इंग्लैंड इन 1975 एंड 2023. और जो आज का इस साल 13वां संस्करण आईसीसी मेंस वर्ल्ड कप का बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है. एंड इंडिया हैज होस्टेड दिस टूर्नामेंट 3 टाइम्स प्रीवियसली, और पहला मौका है इस बार इंडिया अकेला ही इसे होस्ट करने जा रहा है. तो ये थी आज की ज्ञान की बात.
थैंक यू जज साहब. नाउ द 3 कैंडिडेट्स फॉर सिल्वर चेयर राउंड, मिस्टर गौतम, मिस खुशप्रीत एंड मिस्टर सुखप्रीत. हाउ आर यू ऑल फीलिंग? आर यू रेगुलर क्विजर्स?
नो.
नो. क्या इंटरेस्ट है वैसे क्विज जनरल नॉलेज का पढ़ने का?
वैसे इंटरेस्ट है, बट एक बार पार्टिसिपेट भी
ओके
Also participate 2 times.
ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट. सो यहाँ पर सभी एक्सपीरियंस है. तो कितने टाइम से तैयारी कर रहे हैं? जब आपने सुना कि जीबीसी अपडेट क्विज करवा रहा है, तो कितने टाइम से तैयारी कर रहे थे?
So otherwise I have been in touch of current affairs and I have had interest in general knowledge.
Okay.
But since last week I came to know about the quiz, so I started preparing for it.
ओके ग्रेट.
Sir, I started preparing just for 3 days because I came to know
Which is your favorite subject?
history.
History. That's great.
Well, I am not preparing for this quiz. I am regularly read the latest news and I read
Okay.
the newspaper that Tribune daily.
Okay.
As far I am going to the college, and in library I read the different books.
ओके. कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है फेवरेट?
As I am a student of BSc Honors Agriculture,
Okay.
my favorite is agriculture.
Great, 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 great. Good. So, people are like rivers. Everybody has their own pace. Some walk steadily, some meandering with hardly any visible movement, and some surge over like rapids. So, let's see who amongst you surge over like rapids. The first part of silver chair round is rapid fire round. ठीक है? Let's have a look at the rules of rapid fire round. 5 questions will be asked to every participant. Each participant will get only 35 seconds to answer the question. The 10 points will be awarded for every correct answer and there is no negative marking. Ready for the rapid fire round? Yes, sir. Let's see. Contestant number 1. Your time starts now. Who is the first recipient of Paramveer Chakra? You can pass. Say pass. Which was the first spacecraft to carry man on moon? Come on. Only 35 seconds. Which is the capital of Myanmar?
Myanmar is Naypyidaw.
Which industrialist and Bharat Ratna recipient was born in Paris and died in Geneva?
Can you repeat?
Which industrialist and Bharat Ratna recipient was born in Paris and died in Geneva? Only few seconds.
Pass.
The Greek god Poseidon ruled over what?
Over the dead.
Oh, dead. Yes, Judge Saab. How many answers did he get correct?
Only one answer You correct, and you got 10 points for that.
So 10 points for our contestant number 1, Mr. Gautam Malhotra. Well played. Now I am going to give the answers. Who is the first recipient of Paramveer Chakra? Major Somnath Sharma. Which was the first spacecraft to carry man on moon? Apollo 11. You got the capital of Myanmar right, that is Naypyidaw. Which industrialist and Bharat Ratna recipient was born in Paris and died in Geneva? That was J.R.D. Tata. And the Greek god Poseidon ruled over sea or water, earthquakes, horses. This. Fine. Now contestant number 2. बहुत बढ़िया चांस है स्कोर लेने का. 50 पॉइंट्स है आपके पास. 50 पॉइंट्स. कितने पॉइंट्स लेना चाहते हो?
Approx 20, I think so.
20. 50 नहीं? Come on. Ready? Your time starts now. Who is the only recipient of Paramveer Chakra from Indian Air Force?
Major Somnath Sharma.
Who is widely accepted as the first man to reach North Pole?
Pass.
Which is the capital of Bhutan?
Pass.
21 Months of Hell is a documentary about torture methods used by Indian police during.
So could you please repeat?
21 Months of Hell is a documentary about torture methods used by Indian police during.
No, pass.
Who is the Greek god of fire?
Pass.
I will again repeat the question. Who is the only recipient of Paramveer Chakra? Your time is up. जज साहब.
आप नहीं सही आंसर दे पाए हो, इस वजह से आपको इस 5 क्वेश्चन में से कोई भी पॉइंट नहीं मिल रहा है.
Who is the only recipient of Paramveer Chakra from Indian Air Force? He is from the state of Punjab only. Nirmaljeet Singh Sekhon. Who is widely accepted as the first man to reach North Pole? बहुत ही एक कॉमन नाम है, रॉबर्ट पेरी in 1909. Which is the capital of Bhutan? It is our neighboring country, Thimphu. Audience will get the chance. 21 Months of Hell is a documentary about the emergency period of 1970s. Who is the Greek god of fire? That is Hephaestus. Okay? Yes, Mr. Sukhpreet. कितना कॉन्फिडेंस है इस राउंड में?
सर कॉन्फिडेंस तो पूरा है.
चलो, that is the spirit. Good luck. Your time starts now. How many Indian naval personnel have received Paramveer Chakras till now?
6.
Who is the first man to reach South Pole?
Pass.
Colombo being the executive capital, which is the other capital of Sri Lanka?
Pass.
The Dilwara temple located close to Mount Abu is the place of worship for followers of which religion?
Hindu.
Who is the Greek god of love?
Repeat sir.
Who is the Greek god of love? जज साहब.
तो आपने भी कोई जवाब आप सही नहीं दे पाए हो, इस वजह से आपको भी इस 5 क्वेश्चन में से कोई भी पॉइंट हासिल नहीं हुआ है. तो इस 5 क्वेश्चन में से गौतम जी ने सही जवाब देके 10 अंक प्राप्त किए हैं. अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर गौतम.
वेल ट्राइड कंटेस्टेंट. निराश होने की कोई बात नहीं है, आगे मौके बहुत मिलेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. ठीक है, वेल प्लेड. सो एट द एंड ऑफ फर्स्ट राउंड वी हैव मिस्टर गौतम एट 10 पॉइंट्स, मिस खुशप्रीत no point, Sukhpreet no point. Life presents many choices. The choices you make determine your future. Well, I hope you will choose wisely in the next round because that is certainly going to determine your future in today's event. So our next round is categories round. First let's have the look at the rules of this round. Participant with the lowest score will get to choose first and we will move from lowest to highest. There will be 5 categories. Each participant will have to choose one category and question will then be asked from that category. 10 points will be awarded for the correct answer and 5 points will be deducted if the answer is wrong. 10 points for correct answer and -5 for wrong answer. A lifeline will be given in this round. A participant, what is this lifeline? A participant can ask the audience. ठीक है, participant can ask the audience about the answer. 5 points will be awarded if the lifeline is taken and -5 if the answer is wrong. ठीक है? And in this round, questions can be passed on to the next participant if the answer is wrong. It will be passed on to the next participant. The passed on correct answer will fetch 5 points and no negative marking for the passed on question. Understood? Sukhpreet, we have 5 categories here: mythology, cricket, current affairs, battles and history. Which of the category would you like to choose? Current affairs. Okay. Your question for current affairs is: what is the name of Chandrayaan 3's mission rover? Name the rover of Chandrayaan 3 mission.
प्रज्ञान रोवर।
प्रज्ञान, पक्का श्योर है?
यस सर, विक्रम लैंडर था और प्रज्ञान रोवर था।
जिसने वो फोटो खींची थी उसका नाम प्रज्ञान था, विक्रम लैंडर की। एक बार सोच लीजिए। प्रज्ञान इज द करेक्ट आंसर। आपने बिल्कुल सही बताया। लैंडर का नाम विक्रम था और रोवर का नाम प्रज्ञान था। 10 पॉइंट्स फॉर सुखप्रीत। वेरी वेल प्लेड सुखप्रीत, दैट्स द स्पिरिट। 10 पॉइंट्स फॉर सुखप्रीत। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर खुशप्रीत। खुशप्रीत, which category would you like to choose? You have only 4 categories left now. You cannot choose current affairs. You have only 4 categories now.
History.
History. It is your favorite subject, na? So your question from history is: there is a unique thing about Belgaum session of Indian National Congress in 1924. What is that unique thing? $10 points and -5 for wrong answer also. You can take the lifeline. Would you like to take the lifeline?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have 5 contestants here. 5 जाने हैं। आप किन से क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हो, हेल्प लेना चाहते हो?
Number contestant. Number 8 contestant.
Number 8 contestant. What is your name? Muskan from which college? SD college. Muskan from SD college Shiarpur. Muskan, उनके 5 points आप पर निर्भर है। अब उनके 5 points आप पर निर्भर है। So आंसर करेक्ट देना, नहीं तो -5 हो जाएंगे। नहीं आता तो कोई बात नहीं। अब आप क्या करना चाहोगे?
I'll think about it. I would not like to answer it.
Okay, no issues. The question passes on to Gautam now.
Sir, the head of the INC was chosen.
No. Question passes on to Sukhpreet now. The answer is, it was the first and the only session presided by Mahatma Gandhi ji. It was the first and the only session presided by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Now, so no point for Khushpreet. Gautam, you have only 3 categories left now. Which of the following categories would you like to choose? Mythology, cricket or battles?
I will choose cricket.
You will choose cricket. Okay. The question from cricket is: which team won the first official cricket test match? First official cricket test match that has been declared by ICC. Come on. कई टीम्स दिमाग में घूम रही है.
Sir, England.
क्या सोच के आपने ये उत्तर दिया?
Sir, England is the country from where the cricket was started, and it is speculation that it can be.
It can be. क्या आपको अंदाजा था, दिमाग में था कि अगर आंसर गलत हुआ तो -5 हो जाएंगे?
Yes, sir.
England is not the correct answer. It was Australia. The first test match was played in 1877 between England and Australia at Melbourne Cricket Ground, and it was won by Australia, the first official test match. So -5 for Gautam. So Judge sir, at the end of 2 rounds,
At the end of category round, contestant number 1 is on -5, contestant number 2 0, and contestant number 3 +10. Clap for them.
so 2 rounds complete हो चुके हैं. बहुत ही क्लोज कॉन्टेस्ट जा रहा है और आगे चलते हैं, पर उससे पहले जज साहब आपके लिए कुछ ज्ञान की बात करना चाहेंगे.
So, दूसरी ज्ञान की बात आज के बैटल ऑफ ब्रेन की है. The G20 or we can say Group of 20 is an intergovernmental forum comprising 19 countries and European Union. It works to address major issues related to the global economy, and recently African Union is going to be added in this. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge Sahab.
Thank you.
Let's move on to the next round. Do you know the speed of light is 3 lakh kilometers per second? Well, in the next round, you will have to be lightning quick. But there is a caveat. You will have to be accurate also. Because the next round is buzzer round. And then let's have the look at the rules of this buzzer round. The rules for the buzzer round are as follows. 6 questions will be asked in this round. The contestant pressing the buzzer first will get the chance to answer the question. 10 points will be awarded for the correct answer and 5 will be deducted for the wrong answer. In case of wrong answer, the question will pass on to the next candidate and 5 points will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking in case of the question which has been passed on. Understood? So, ready? Last chance hai contestants. So at the end of 2 rounds we have Mr. Gautam Malhotra at 5 points, Miss Khushpreet at 0 points and Mr. Sukhpreet at 10 points. All of you are playing well. So, निराश होने की कोई बात नहीं, सभी पास ही हैं, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. बिकॉज अगले राउंड में आपको 6 क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे 60 पॉइंट्स के लिए और इस राउंड में ही आप बहुत आगे जा सकते हो. रेडी? पक्का? स्टार्ट करें. योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बजर. दिस इज बजर राउंड. हु इज नोन एज फादर ऑफ होम्योपैथी? No? Anybody from the audience would like to try? It was a German physician of 18th-19th century, Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann. Which fictional detective is famously associated with deerstalker hat? Which fictional detective is famously associated with deerstalker hat? Yes, Sukhpreet. Sherlock Holmes. Dear stalker hat. Sherlock Holmes. You are right. It is the correct answer. Sherlock Holmes is the correct answer. A fictional detective created by Arthur Conan Doyle. Very good. It is the correct answer. Now, so 10 points for Sukhpreet. Sukhpreet confident? Come on, buck up guys. खुशप्रीत, गौतम, come on. 4 क्वेश्चंस बाकी है अभी, 40 पॉइंट्स. अब भी चांस है पूरा. चलिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच गुप्ता किंग इज ऑल्सो नोन एज नेपोलियन ऑफ इंडिया? गौतम.
Samudragupta.
समुद्रगुप्ता इज द करेक्ट आंसर. इट वॉज इन फैक्ट समुद्रगुप्ता. उन्होंने तकरीबन सारे हिंदुस्तान पर जो है कब्जा कर लिया था. इसी कारण नेपोलियन ऑफ इंडिया कहते हैं. 4th सेंचुरी गुप्ता किंग. वेरी गुड, वेरी वेल प्लेड गौतम. सो बहुत ही क्लोज कॉन्टेस्ट जो है देखने को मिल रहा है हमें. बहुत ही बढ़िया. चलिए, रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी लेग्स डू यू फाइंड इन 8 पेयर्स ऑफ डॉग्स विदाउट एनी डिसेबिलिटी? In 8 pairs of dogs without any disability. It is Gautam now. Yes, Gautam. I.
8 pairs of dogs.
Just sir, will you give so much of time?
Last 5 seconds.
Sir, it's 64 legs.
64. Do you like mathematics?
Yes, sir.
But you are not so quick.
Sir, because I
64 is the correct answer.
Very good.
64 is the correct answer. We have 5 senses. In the next 2 questions, you will have to use at least 2 senses because the next 2 questions will be from visual and audio round. Ready for the next question, contestants? Come on, Khushpreet. You missed your history question. But you were so close in answering that question. Confident, Sukhpreet?
Yes.
Ready for the next question? चलिए. Your next question is identify this logo. किस कंपनी का है? गौतम.
Sir, it's KFC.
It is KFC, Kentucky
Well.
Fried Chicken. You are right. Very well played, Gautam.
Hat trick for Gautam.
Yeah, it is a hat trick for Gautam. पहले 2 राउंड्स में पीछे थे और 1 राउंड में ही कितने आगे निकल गए. वेरी वेल प्लेड. नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. सुखप्रीत, यू हैव द चांस टू कैच अप विद गौतम. खुशप्रीत, कम ऑन. रेडी फॉर द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. कनेक्ट हो गया.
सत्ता का खेल तो चलेगा, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, पार्टियां बनेगी बिगड़ेगी, मगर ये देश रहना चाहिए. इस देश का लोकतंत्र रहना चाहिए.
यस सुखप्रीत, आइडेंटिफाई दिस पर्सनैलिटी.
जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
जवाहरलाल नेहरू. क्या सोच के आपने आंसर दिया ये? आपको क्यों लगा? आप उनकी स्पीचेस सुनते रहते हो?
नहीं सर, ज़्यादातर नहीं.
ज़्यादातर जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी की स्पीचेस है. स्पीचेस तो हर नेता, हर प्रधानमंत्री बहुत देते हैं. आपको लगता है आप करेक्ट हो? Your answer is not correct. Jawaharlal Nehru is not the correct answer. Question passes on to Khushpreet now. -5 for Sukhpreet. Please repeat it.
सत्ता का खेल तो चलेगा, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, पार्टियां बनेगी बिगड़ेगी, मगर ये देश रहना चाहिए. इस देश का लोकतंत्र रहना चाहिए.
गौतम बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहा है. नहीं, आपने आंसर नहीं देना, अभी उनकी चॉइस है. खुशप्रीत 5 पॉइंट्स तो गौतम ने ले लीजिए ना. हैं? आंसर दो.
Sir, I think so. It's Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi is also not the correct answer. Come on. Yes, Gautam.
Sir, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee is the correct answer. It was a speech given by फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर मिस्टर अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ऑन 31st of May 1996, जब उनका नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन जो डिस्कस हो रहा था पार्लियामेंट में. वेरी गुड, वेरी वेल आंसर्ड गौतम. 5 points फॉर मिस्टर गौतम. -5 फॉर सुखप्रीत एंड खुशप्रीत. So judge sahab will give his verdict for this round now.
After completion of buzzer round, Gautam is on 35, Khushpreet is on 0, Sukhpreet is on 5 point.
So at the end of all the rounds, we have Gautam at 40 points. Khushpreet, you tried well. सिल्वर चेयर पर आना ही बड़ी बात है. आंसर दिया तो आए आप, है ना. Khushpreet at 0 point and Sukhpreet, you gave some very good answers, but unfortunately you are at 5 points. Very well played all of you. और गोल्डन चेयर पर आने का मौका अब मिलता है गौतम को. Congratulations गौतम.
तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए फॉर गौतम.
बट उससे पहले हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए, उनके लिए भी हमारे पास कुछ है. जज साहब ने गिफ्ट्स रखे अपने पास, फिर आंसर, क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना पड़ेगा.
ये गिफ्ट को देख के आंसर्स फटाफट निकलेंगे, तो मुझे लगता है कि नेशनल बेकरी की तरफ से जो गिफ्ट है वो इन्हें पहले दिखा देना चाहिए, सो दैट आंसर फटाफट